Hi, this is Muthu. I look after project execution. Let's understand one of the project execution challenges, which is site readiness and MEP coordinations. The team will likely find the wall surface or not perfectly straight, or it has any undulation, or the ceiling slab is uneven. Adding to it, the above ceiling services like AC ducts, fire sprinklers are installed without considering the specialized grid of our acoustics or metal ceilings. The impact, which leads to clashes where the panels cannot be installed as per the shop drawing, resulting on-site cutting, and ruins the factory finish and the edge details of our products. So how to solve this? Here is an execution tip. Implement pre-installation survey along with the laser leveler. Do not install the product until the MEP contractor signs off the final layout to avoid rework.